Live Link Face for Unreal Engine. So this is a new interesting app you have in here. Live Link Face for effortless facial animation in Unreal Engine. Capture performances for MetaHuman Animator to achieve the highest fidelity results, or stream facial animation in real time from your iPhone or iPad for live performances. Capture facial performances for MetaHuman Animator. The Live Link captures raw video and depth data. So then you have MetaHuman Animator. You can stream out the ARKit animation data live, visualize facial expression, drive a 3D preview mesh. So all things here. And then you can just use it. So people are quite excited about it. Then you can just accept. And then you can just need to have access to camera. So then basically you just need to try it out. So yeah, try it out. I didn't actually completely figure out exactly how to use it, but seems pretty cool app.